Greetings. Yes. Babatingin niyo lang si Alira ng happy birthday, the longest you can, just like this. Happy birthday, Alira. Okay? Yes. Ate, pasimulan mo na.
Okay, unahin na natin si Kuya Thomas Gabriel. Ayan, Kuya Thomas, ilang taon ka na ulit?
7.
Okay, 7. And you have to greet Alira a happy birthday the longest you can, okay? Okay, happy birthday Alira in 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Alira!
2 seconds! Sobrang haba! Apakatagal nun, Ate Pat.
Okay, Kuya Thomas, thank you so much. And of course, ikaw ang aming time today. Ayan. And of course, si Ate Kashmir, feel ko, kailangan mo siyang kausapin ngayon.
Hindi, tapos na. Ay, inom lang daw ng tubig.
Ayan, okay. Ate
Prepare.
Kashmir, all you have to do is greet Alira a happy birthday the longest you can, okay? And you have to be the 2 seconds, Alira, okay? And you have to be the 2 seconds of Kuya Thomas Gabriel, okay? Okay? Sana naman naiintindihan mo. Ayan, okay. Okay, Ate Kashmir, happy birthday Alira in 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Alira!
2 seconds. Parang feeling ko gusto lang nila makatanggap ng prize lahat. Yes, pero kailangan matalo ni Kuya dahil nakainom ka ng tubig. You have to sit down lang, ate. Feeling ko ito makaka 20 seconds to.
Oh, kaya mo yan!
Yes, kaya niya to kasi nakainom siya ng tubig. Okay, ilang taon ka na? 11, nag-aaral? Saan?
Sa school.
Anong grade na si Kuya? Grade 6, anong favorite mong subject sa school? Math. 1 plus 1. 2 ang kailangan mong matalo dahil dalawa silang 2 seconds, okay? You have to greet Alira a happy birthday the longest you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Happy birthday, Alira!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
7 seconds! Wala ka na
Kuya. Bigyan natin ng prize, Ate Pat. Ayan. And of course, Alira, come here.
Ayan, okay. Alira, all you have to do is to greet yourself a happy birthday the longest you can, okay?